Hello everybody, Cartinius Ryan here, and my Intrepid has a check engine light, and it is flashing. And a lot of you may know, since this is a car channel, what a flashing check engine light means. That means the car has the computer knows that something with the engine is really wrong. And what is wrong with my Intrepid? Well, I don't know if you can see it shaking. No, you can't, but it is misfiring as it dings at me. And why is it misfiring? Okay, so I replaced the coolant bleeder housing on this. And I'll show you where it is when I get home, but it's right by the intake manifold, so you have to unbolt the intake manifold to get to the bolts and put it in, this and that. But I didn't take the intake manifold off all the way. I just stuck something under it and pried up on it a little bit. And apparently after doing that and getting all that coolant bleeder housing installed, it's really shaking right now. Anyway, after getting the coolant bleeder housing installed, it immediately had a misfire, and it's throwing a P0201 code, which is a misfire on cylinder 1, which I'm thinking is being caused by a loose connector on an injector, because since I was sticking a pry bar under the intake manifold, I think I might have caught some wire and bumped it out or snapped a wire, I don't know. But it is not happy with me, and I couldn't drive the Mazda to school. I've been daily driving that because of this. I couldn't get that to school because I was running late, and that takes forever to start because it's carbureted. So I took this. Don't worry, I've been gentle on it, of course. I adore this car. I would never push it hard when something's wrong with it. In fact, when something's wrong with this car, I kind of get really, really freaked out, because this car is my everything, which might sound stupid, but I've always wanted one of these because of my great-grandfather. But yeah, so I'll show you what's up when I get home. Alright everybody, I'm back at the house now, and so basically what I was saying is I replaced the coolant bleeder housing because this one failed. Like, the whole thing failed because 1, it's plastic, 2, it's plastic, and 3, it's plastic. So those are just bound to break at some point. So this is the new one. This is metal. It's really nice. I paid extra for it because of that, but it won't do what that one did. But as you can see, to get to those back bolts, you have to unbolt the intake manifold and then you pry it up. But I'm gonna take the whole intake manifold off so I can see if I fucked with some wires or some shit back there when I was trying to pry it up. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. I'm just taking off the back end of it now. Well everybody, this is the end of the video, and as you can see, it is running fine. I'm gonna go get the check engine light cleared at Advanced Auto, use their scan tool, but it's what I suspected. Yesterday while lifting the intake manifold, I unplugged injector number 1. So when I got it all off, that was the first thing I saw, was an injector unplugged, and now it's running fine. Check engine light's no longer flashing, and now I'm gonna go get it cleared. So yeah, it was just a simple mistake like that. It's crazy how one simple thing like that can fuck a lot up. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.